Today, a man sitting in West Bengal can proudly say that I am a resident of India. A man from Maharashtra can say I am a resident of India. A person from Kerala can say I am a resident of India. A Kashmiri can also say proudly that I am a citizen of India. But if this man was not present today, then we would not have been proud to say that we are Indians. Our country would have been broken into 565 provinces. But the man who fought for India kept the unity of India. He is India's Iron Man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. On 31st October 2018, on the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he was paid tribute, and on that day his statue was inaugurated in Gujrat, and it has been named Statue of Unity. 182-meter long Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Statue, or the Statue of Unity, has won the title of World's Tallest Statue. Wow, that's nice. Now the whole world will respect us. Millions of tourists will visit our country to see world's highest statue. Our tourism department will be very profitable and our name will be on the Guinness Book of World Record. Really, such a great thing, right? Friends, I'm not saying that, it is said by the people of our country. Do you know how much money does the Indian government spend in the entire project to create this statue? You don't know. Our government has spent around 3 billion rupees. But was it really worth spending so much money on this statue? Is it a true tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel or just waste of money? That's what we are going to talk about today. Today, through this video, you will get to know how much profit or loss we had behind the construction of this statue. But before that, friends, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon next to it so that you do not miss our next videos. Let's look at the pros and cons of Statue of Unity. Firstly, we will discuss about the pros, that is the good aspects of this project. Let's see how important they are. First, Statue of Unity will be marked as a global landmark. Everyone will recognize India. In other countries, India's respect will increase further. Second, this statue is not only world's tallest statue, but this statue shows the unity among the people of India. Third, the most important thing is if the wind blows in 180 km per hour or even in an earthquake of 6.5 Richter scale, there will be no effect on this statue. Fourth, from the view gallery, which is 53 meters above the statue, 200 people can see many precious views of the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Fifth, we observe visual things very quickly. Till now, we were aware of the contributions of Netaji, Gandhiji, Nehruji behind the independence of India. Even it is also written in the book. But we had limited information about the man who had immensely contributed with them. Even in books, there is no complete information about him. But after the creation of this statue, there will be a curiosity among the people of India and as well as the people of the whole world, by which they will know about the contribution of the Iron Man behind the independence, behind India's unity. Sixth, basically this statue has been built in a tribal area. So due to the creation of this statue, there will be many job opportunities. As a result, many tribal people will get opportunities to work there. Seventh, there will be a lot of improvement in the tourism department. A lot of visitors from abroad will come to see this statue. As a result, the amount of money which has been spent on this project will come up in a few years and later will enrich India's economy. Eighth, you might think that 182 meters is nothing, but its height is more than 600 feet, which means higher than a 50-story building. Inside the statue, there is a museum, library, 3-star hotel, restaurant, gallery for viewing the outside scenario, and lift to go upstairs. However, you have to pay to visit the interior department. Till now, you got to know about the good aspects of the Statue of Unity. Now let's know about the cons. First, with the amount of money which has been spent on this project, it would have been possible to provide sanitary complexes with proper toilet facility in almost 6 lakh schools in India. Even it would have been possible to construct thousands of hospitals. Second, in order to recover the amount of damage caused by the devastating floods in Northeast and Kerala, it would have been possible to provide more than 500 crores as a grant. Third, there are approximately 281,533 contractual teachers in the government schools, and it would have been possible to give them their salaries. Fourth, with this amount of money, it would have been possible to give free and proper education to 5,296 children from birth till 21 years of age. Fifth, the condition of the roads in many places in India is very bad. Even in Mumbai, this problem is seen, due to which many accidents occur. It would have been possible to repair them, and the Indians could have got a good transport system. Sixth, while creating the Statue of Unity, the way a lot of natural resources of that area has been destroyed, similarly, it also harmed the ecosystem greatly, so it is an anti-environmental task. Seventh, the amount of money spent on making this statue, in that amount, it was possible to make around 6 Mars rovers. Eighth, in order to make this statue, there was no concern for the 75,000 tribal people, due to which the people who were associated with the Narmada Bachao Andolan and the tribal people together strongly opposed the formation of the statue. Ninth, many people have a conception that there will be many job opportunities. If job facility was the purpose of government, then why didn't the government start the skill development training center? 10th, it is believed that Statue of Unity will be the most popular tourist attraction in India, but research does not say that. If you have noticed, you will see that all the top attractions in the world are located around some big cities. For example, Statue of Liberty in New York, Eiffel Tower at Paris, and from Ahmedabad, Statue of Unity is 4 hours away, and from Mumbai, it is 8 hours away. So by traveling so much, many people may not want to visit there. Besides, if we see the Spring Temple Buddha of China, till now, it was world's tallest statue, but it is not even in the top 10 tourist attractions of China. This implies that there is no such attraction for the statue among the people. Truly, the Statue of Unity is nothing but pride of our country. At last, I will only say what kind of tribute it is. If he does not like it, for whom it is given to? We all know APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He always used to say that you do not need to take a holiday and lament on the day of my death, but rather, I would be happy if you work for one more day. Just like that, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has always worked for the people of the country. If Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was alive today, then he would not have let the tax be dissipated in this way. He would have strongly opposed the creation of the statue. And even if we had made a 10-feet statue of him, would that not be honored? Today, by spending 3,000 crores, the statue which has been constructed, does it really give peace to his soul? So friends, please comment us and let us know that was it really needed to spend 3,000 crores behind the Statue of Unity? Your opinion is very important to us. So please let us know by sharing your opinion in the comment box. So that's it for today. See you again in the next video. Till then, think positive, do positive and go ahead. Thank you.